Hi. Let's learn about silent letters. S, W. Rarely, when the letters SW are in a word, the W is silent.
Answer. A, n, an. S, sir. Answer. Answer. Answer.
There are two common words that have this spelling. Sword. Answer. Next. Sword. 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 Answer. 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 Sword is the answer. Sword is the answer. Sword is the answer. Good job. Bye.